Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step-by-step process how you can easily partition C drive in Windows 11 without formatting. Now what is really important to say guys is that if this video will be helpful, what you can do is just write down below in comments that it helped you for other people to know. So what you want to do next to the Windows is going to be search button, click on it, and right here computer management, click on it. Now, in the moment when you're gonna have it, under storage is going to be disk management. And then you're gonna have the F, and I have like the Windows C here. And what you need to do is just right click here or whatever and then shrink volume, and that's pretty much it how we do it. And then you like choose how much you want to shrink it, and it's like pretty straightforward. So you will like click here and click shrink volume, wait, wait also more. And here you will like choose the size of it, and then you will like rename it by right clicking here and use simple volume. And then you choose like simple volume size, assign the following dry later and file system and everything, and volume label. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.